a tool to convert Matlab code to Python. I have a bunch of Matlab code from my MS thesis, which I now want to convert to Python, using numpy/scipy and matplotlib, and distribute as open source. I know the similarity between Matlab and Python scientific libraries, and converting them manually will be not more than a fortnight, provided that I work towards it every day for some time. I was wondering if there was already any tool available which can do the conversion.
There are several tools for converting Matlab to Python code. The only one that's seen recent activity, last commit from June 2018, is small Matlab to Python compiler, also developed here, smop at ChiselApp. Other options include Libmate, translate from Matlab to Python and scipy, requires Python 2, last update 4 years ago, OMPC, Matlab to Python, a bit outdated, Mat2py, Matlab to Python, requires Python 2, Also, for those interested in an interface between the two languages and not conversion. PyMatlab, communicate from Python by sending data to the Matlab workspace, operating on them with scripts and pulling back the resulting data. Python Matlab wormholes, both directions of interaction supported. Python Matlab bridge, use Matlab from within Python, offers Matlab_magic for Ipython, to execute normal Matlab code from within Ipython. PyMat, control Matlab session from Python. PyMat2, continuation of the seemingly abandoned PyMat. MLabWrap, MLabWrap PureP, make Matlab look like Python library, based on PyMat. October 2py, repository run new octave commands from within Python. Pymex, embeds the Python interpreter in Matlab, also on file exchange. Matpy, access Matlab in various ways, create variables, access .mat files, direct interface to Matlab engine, requires Matlab be installed. Matpy, Python package for numerical linear algebra and plotting with a Matlab-like interface. By the way, might be helpful to look here for other migration tips. This URL. On a different note, for people who might find it useful, there is Matlab 2 Fortran.
There's also October 2py which can call .m files within Python. This URL. It requires new octave, which is highly compatible with Matlab. This URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.